Some of us were crying. We realized that we were trapped. I've seen the road go through a lot of changes, but it wasn't until Helene that I saw the road completely disappear.
We came down here to view the damage and realize that this was a serious situation for us.
It was clear that there's no way we could take care of it as a community, that we were going to need federal funding to do so, and that FEMA was going to be our best resource.
So we see the big washout area there, and the other concern I have is the undermining of the road.
This has been a monumental project for the Private Roads and Bridges Task Force. Overall, for High Rock Acres, we have awarded $2.2 million. That means they're going to put all this funding together, get this road rebuilt, safe, and back to the homes.
In a catastrophe like this, it takes a village. You need all sorts of people to support your process, not just the community, not just FEMA, but the county, the safety departments, the emergency response teams.